Say hey guys.
Hey guys.
Alright, that's my little brother, Hunter Hamilton.
Hey brother.
That's my big brother. I'm his big brother. He loves saying that. And this is Lexa.
What did you mean, Lexa?
And there's Molly. There's Dallas. Anyways, hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to install these bad boys in this box right here. What's going on, everybody? We're about to go to the Chevy dealership. We gotta go meet my parents there, drop him off, and then we're going to let's see what we can do with that. Ah! After we get the tent, of course, because I got a tent appointment at yeah, that time. All right, haha, and we are off. What's going on, guys? We just got the freaking dimmer days over here. Little LBZ looking all nice. Remember my best man Andrew. You already know the detailers. Y'all seen him on the channel before. And we're about to go get something to eat. I'm freaking starving. It's like 3:30, or it's like, yeah, it's like 3:10. I'm starving. So we're about to go to Zaxby's, get some Zaxby's, and then go fool around for a couple hours till it's done. What's going on, everybody? We're just over here killing some time on the railroad tracks. Andrew's got a music video to shoot soon, so we're out here getting some spot ideas for him. If you ever need anything, you're in South Carolina, hit this man up for photography. I mean, he's obviously got the ching chong camera right there. I'm just kidding, I think he's nice as crap. But, yeah, we're over here by the railroad tracks. Right. I think we got about like that much time left. Hallelujah. Let's go get the truck, boys. Okay, now let's go get the truck. Made me look good, bro.
I'm going for it, bro.
Yeah, I know it's hard to make me look good, but try. Count some money real quick, you know what I'm saying? 24, 6, 7, 80. 100. 24, 6, 7, 80. 200. 220, baby. Plus a 20, that's 240.
They count money like that.
Shit, you gotta go third grade first. Smacked. Fat strips can get you pulled over, but it looks good. Hey, screw it. Hell yeah.
Sounds good, man.
I appreciate it. I got a 5-inch to go on it right now. And throw this thing on here. Alright, so I got some lean in the cup. That's a given. And I got 5-inch exhaust right here. We already got it laid out. We got the part goes to the axle, part goes before the axle, downpipe part, and then some straight parts, and then the clamps. Let's get to it. That's it, bro. Let's get to it.
Gotta get you sipping though.
We got the mirrors, alright? We gotta jack up the truck, so that's what we're gonna do first.
Oh shoot, we gotta go way up in here. Alright, boys and gals, we is ready.
Yeah, that's it.
Oh god. Oh my god, I think we got it.
We need some KY jelly, bro.
These muffler mounts are a little too dry.
We're about to lube them up.
So what's the problem?
No, we need some lube, bro.
For real, for real?
Yeah. Get the lube, bro.
That might be a problem.
A live ass.
What's the update, Kristen?
Well, she's looking great.
We're laying pipe down here, boys.
5-inch or die, baby. got it. This is great. Alright. Thank you, big deal. Woo! That was fun, boys.
What'd you just do?
Now I had to cut a spare tire off so we can get this axle done. I'm just kidding, we ain't doing an axle done. But as you can see, this she's bolted and her giraffe's in her thigh. So we don't need her anyway.
What's gonna happen when you take that off? Is it all gonna come out, ain't it?
I have no idea. Where's that? Keep them?
Yeah. Different parts, bro.
What are you doing? I'm gonna walk over there with Christian. Plug him in. Plug him in the butt.
It won't fit. My head's too big.
Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Because I feel like I haven't talked to you in a minute. Because you know why? We've been dealing with this bullshit on here. Just saying.
Insert the SpongeBob 3 hours later.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So right now, I'm tightening up the exhaust tip, and that's the final piece. But I thought we could make it work, like the whole exhaust. So we get on there, and we're literally about to put the tip on, and it's just flopping up and down the whole time. So then I go and I'm looking at it, and I'm trying to tighten up twice in a row now, and it just has like a little millimeter, or like an inch gap for blackness. If you can see the pipe. Alright, it's not going anywhere. And so it wouldn't work. So it was like right here. So I had to come down, I'm loosening everything up twice in a row. And we just tied it up, the piece on the downpipe, everything's up and secured now. So we're about to give you a first start. Thank God. Sag a little more, but it looks nice, especially when it gets lifted. Time's come. Alright, we got the tip all polished up. Hopefully she don't fall apart. Ready?
Fire away.
It smells so good. Oh, it doesn't. It's something stinks.
What if you had plastic in there wrapped up still?
Alright, I'll give you some wraps real quick. Not
Just a little one. Just a little one.
watching the video. Stay tuned for the next video. Like, subscribe, and I'll give it a
I got the horses in the bag, horse stock is attached. Head is matted black, got the bushes black.